Well, hello everyone and welcome to this comparison between Veed.io versus Descript. Which one should you choose? Now, both platforms offer unique approaches to simplifying the editing process, but which one is the right choice for your workflow? Let's break it down, because we'll be talking about the features, the pricing differences, the pros and cons, and at the end, you have solid reasons to make your choice. We have the link to both services in the description so you can get a head start at the end of this video. Now, starting with the features, both offer automatic subtitles or transcriptions and screen and webcam recording. Veed.io is a web-based visual editor with a vast stock media library, diverse video effects and templates, plus AI voice cloning and AI avatars. Descript, on the other hand, is a revolutionary text-based editor where you can edit media by editing text. It features filler word removal, studio sound for audio enhancement, and overdub. Now, when it comes to the pricing differences, Veed.io has the free plan, which is a great way to try out Veed.io without any financial commitment. This comes with basic editing tools, but of course its features are watermarked and limited export lengths. Then you have the Lite plan at $19 per month with no watermark, full HD at 1080p, and access to some stock audio-video content. Then you have the Pro plan, which is great for more advanced creators, and this comes at $49 per month. This includes all the AI tools, 4K Ultra HD export, and full brand kit. The Enterprise plan is great for large teams and organizations requiring custom solutions, and this plan offers personalized pricing, so you'll need to contact sales for your custom pricing. This of course comes with custom templates, centralized team management, and personalized AI avatars. Now, when it comes to our recommendation for Veed.io, the Pro plan is great and is ideal for high quality, efficient social media content. On the other hand, you have Descript's pricing. Descript offers tiered plans designed to fit different creator needs with increasing features for more advanced use and collaboration. You have the Hobbyist plan at $16 per month per person with features where you get to elevate your project with watermark-free videos. It includes 10 transcription hours per month, you can export in 1080p, and 20 uses of basic AI actions. Then you have the Creator plan at $24 per month, and here you can unlock advanced AI-powered creativity, and it also includes 30 transcription hours, export in 4K, watermark-free, and unlimited basic and advanced AI suite including translation. You have the Business plan at $50 per month. With this plan, you can empower collaboration on your team, and it also includes 40 transcription hours per month, free basic seats for collaboration, and unlimited access to focus on professional AI action suite including translation. Now here's our recommendation for Descript. For podcasters and content creators who edit spoken word like document, the Creator plan is highly recommended. It unlocks crucial AI features for polished audio and video content. Now, with any service, we'd like to let you know of the pros and cons, starting with Veed.io. On the bright side, Veed.io has user-friendly interface, online accessibility, a rich stock media, AI avatars and voice cloning, and social media optimization. On the flip side, with the cons, it is dependent on your internet service, it is less advanced for traditional editing, the rendering speed can be slow at times, the full features comes at a cost, and a limited offline use. For Descript, on the bright side, it is a revolutionary text-based editing platform. It also has powerful AI tools, transcription accuracy is great, podcast production is available, and content repurposing. On the downside, you have a steep learning curve, it is resource intensive, it has usage quotas, and as a disclaimer, it's not purely visual editor. In conclusion, if you're a social media creator or marketer needing a quick visual online editor with AI tools, Veed.io is your go-to. If you're a podcaster or an educator primarily dealing with spoken word content and you want to edit like a document with advanced AI, Descript is a clear choice. So don't forget to check out the links in the description for Veed.io or Descript depending on your choice so you can enjoy these services. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.